of expression behind. Our designers have developed a fascinating design idiom for the new C-Class. Both progressive and emotional highlights emphasize the forward-looking stylish design of the new C-Class and conveys sensuous clarity. The task of bringing the design to fruition commences in the initial development phase with typical Mercedes perfection and attention to detail. In intensive discussions, the proportions, dimensions and lines are
Euro NCAP evaluates child safety in 3 areas. The protection offered by the child seat in the event of a frontal or side crash.
Years from keys to keyless entry and start will be followed by a switch to key fobless entry and start. You'll be able to unlock and start your car without anything more than your fingerprint, or maybe your eyeball, but fingerprint readers are more likely than retina scanners. Sound a lot like the latest form of cell phone security? It should, because it's exactly the same concept.
You can unlock it if it's locked. Yes, I want to unlock my vehicle, and bam, it's just unlocked behind me, and the door handles came out. And then I can also honk the horn and flash the lights. So here's the lights. They're already on, but you can see they just glowed. And here's the horn. Jeez, that's loud. All right, so moving on, down here at the bottom is your charge state. You can space, and this is kind of like my garage, where I can hit the summon button, summon it backwards, and it will summon back out of my garage without touching any of the walls, without me being in the car at all. So here's what a summon looks like on the current generation hardware Tesla Model S. It wakes up, it checks its surroundings, and then it just starts rolling forward.
Yet, despite these nuances, the software needs to classify these objects appropriately based on factors like their shape, movement pattern, or location. For example, if there's a cyclist in the bike lane, the vehicle understands that this is a cyclist, not another object like a car or a pedestrian, so the cyclist appears as a red box on the safety driver's laptop, and the software can also detect the cyclist's hand signal and yield to them appropriately. When our engineers think about where the car should drive and how, safety is always the top priority.